the Nashville Sounds.
Who will win this sacred bobblehead?
Oh, we're all over this shit.
Which of these is the fiercest?
Damn, sloths
We're
look
gonna
terrible.
put it to the test, and the winner gets the bobblehead.
Awesome music.
And the winner is Marilyn. Congratulations. Oh, do you have anything to say? I'd like to see my mom. To find out more about what's going on for Facebook,
Awful.
you could also win one of these. You just walk through the doors and it's handed to you to the first 2,000 fans. Be sure to find out more information at NashvilleSounds.com. And remember, Jar to Play is going to start playing at 5:30.